Space is a concept that has a substance rather than a vacuum. But space is not a material-filled environment in the traditional sense. Space is a medium that contains matter and energy but is largely sparse. Space is a large region containing celestial bodies, galaxies, stars, planets, etc., and the space between them. This region contains various substances such as electromagnetic radiation, gas, dust and plasma, but the density between these substances is quite low. In regions called outer space, rare gases, dust and other substances can be found at the molecular and atomic level. Most of space is a medium called a vacuum. Vacuum refers to an area where matter is absent. But even this vacuum has quantum fluctuations like zero-point energy and virtual particles, according to quantum field theory. As a result, space is a concept that contains matter rather than space, but the distances and densities between substances are quite low. Space is a largely sparse medium containing matter and energy. Most of space is a matter-free environment and has a very low density. The density of space is quite low compared to an environment consisting of gas at the molecular and atomic level. For this reason, matter is very sparse in the so-called vacuum of space. But space is not just an empty medium. Space is a medium through which electromagnetic radiation passes. Electromagnetic radiation is energy emitted at different wavelengths, such as light, radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays. This radiation can be found even in empty regions of space. Also, celestial bodies observed in space, such as galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, and black holes, are also composed of matter. The formation and existence of these celestial bodies indicates that space is filled with matter. Much of space is considered a vacuum, that is, a medium in which matter is absent. But quantum mechanics shows that even the vacuum has quantum fluctuations like zero-point energy and virtual particles. These fluctuations are a process in which energy and matter constantly appear and disappear. As a result, much of space is considered a sparse medium, the vacuum. However, due to factors such as electromagnetic radiation, celestial bodies and quantum fluctuations, it is a concept that includes space, matter and energy. The structure and content of space are among the subjects of astronomy and astrophysics and are constantly being researched.